Are you ready to turn wood, foam, or plastic into serious monthly income? Introducing the AKM 1325-4A, a 5-axis CNC router designed for professionals and entrepreneurs who want precision, power, and profit in one machine. With a large 1,300 by 2,500 mm working area, 6 kW air-cooled spindle, and industrial servo motors, this machine handles complex 3D carving, mold making, and custom woodworking like a breeze. Thanks to its DSP controller and vacuum table, it's easy to operate and maximizes efficiency, so you can take on more jobs with less downtime. And here's the best part, this machine can help you earn $3,000 to $15,000 or more per month, depending on your services. Think custom molds, furniture detailing, foam carving, and more. Don't wait. Turn craftsmanship into cash flow. Contact Andrea today and get the factory price.